Good morning and welcome to Alaska. We are sailing the territorial waters of the state of Alaska right now. On our way to Juneau this morning. Hi, my name is Matthew. I normally cruise and do adventures with my wife Susan. Unfortunately, she is in school this week and can't come along on my latest adventure, a 7-night cruise on the Norwegian Bliss. Come along and join me on my adventures in Alaska. Good morning. I am up early because the ship was rocking last night and got a good couple hours of sleep, and then got up, took a shower, got the essentials. And now I'm up here to watch the sunrise in the observation lounge. So I'm up on deck 15 and let's go explore the observation lounge. When you enter the observation lounge, you can enter it from both sides of deck 15 forward. But if you enter on the deck 15 port side, which left side, you get to see all the ship's plaques from its ports of visit. That is a nice, impressive number for being a fairly new ship. Additionally, get the observation lounge sign. You also get the Norwegian Bliss ship model that is so very cool to see. You enter the observation lounge. We've got seating along the observation lounge. You also have a light continental breakfast that you can partake in if you so desire. It's a little after 6 o'clock in the morning, so it's one of the few opportunities right now that are open. Whole bunch of different seating, and it's beautifully decorated. And we're getting up here to the forward part of the ship and the big observation windows. You do have your bar up here in the atrium. On our Eastern Caribbean cruise that we took last November, we didn't really spend much time up here, so I'm going to spend a little time this morning. So the main dining room doesn't open up until 7:30, so since I was up, I came up here and got some nuts and fruit to tide me over till it opens up, and enjoy the view from the observation lounge. We are sailing the territorial waters of the state of Alaska right now. On our way to Juneau this morning. It's beautiful. It's amazing. I always love being back in the state of Alaska. So I'm back out on the waterfront, and yesterday it was so windy and rainy and the seas were rough that they had the waterfront closed down, and so nobody could come out and enjoy it. I was hoping to get out and have some time out here and even though it was stormy, and just enjoy the water, but unfortunately I couldn't. I was stuck inside. So this morning, now that we're within the calmer waters of Alaska, taking the time to just kind of peruse the waterfront and enjoy the scenery. Maybe spot a whale if there is one. Hoping there is. But I'm definitely off to breakfast. Kind of had my Starbucks earlier. We are east of the island that Sitka is on, and slightly northwest of Ketchikan right now. Hopefully the weather gets a little bit nicer. I would like to have a little bit of sunshine and not some rain, but it is Alaska, it is September, and I will take what it gives me. So I've made my way to the back of the ship, and I love the view from here. We had an aft balcony when we sailed the Eastern Caribbean, and I gotta wake up to this view every morning. On the back of a deck 8 here, there's glass viewing windows. You can look down at the ducktail. So cool. There's where we've been. So as you can see, I'm now on the port side of the boat. We have land over here and land over here. So we are now officially in Alaska's Inside Passage. So the seas are a lot calmer. Last night we had 8 to 10 foot seas, and nobody got a good night's sleep. That was the topic of conversation up in the office observation lounge this morning. Okay, so I'm at the main dining room, and here's the breakfast menu for today. So a simple starter this morning, sliced banana and cottage cheese. Yum! So I got a made to order omelet this morning with everything but red bell peppers and hash browns and ham, but they forgot my bacon. I'll have to ask about that. seeing a little bit of the scenery as we've been sailing in towards Juneau here, but we are definitely getting a lot closer. It's just so beautiful out. Even though it's overcast, it is magnificent to view. So not only are we seeing tons of whales, I've saw 12 so far today. I got video of one of them if you saw it. But amazing waterfalls and just beautiful scenery here in Alaska. Simply amazing.
Yeah, I figured it out.
There it goes again.
Yeah. Oh, you saw it way far out.
Right there.
Yeah, I see
Don't
it.
splash
There
unless
you
the
go.
flow.
There it is.
Woo!
Okay, hope we get close. I feel like he's flying away from us. We're flying away. Hey, Sam.
Oh my goodness. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so I'm eating lunch today in Margaritaville, and so here's the menu.
How are you? Welcome.
Thank you.
Now my name is Susan Abiyosen. One more coming?
No, I'm the only one. All cruise along.
Like anything from the bar?
I think I'll get a perfect margarita.
Would you like with salt or salt?
Salt is fine. One of the beautiful things about sailing into Juneau is the waterfalls that you pass on your way in. There's one there, a couple more over here, and we're almost into town. So here at Margaritaville, they're known for their volcano nachos, but I'm only one person and I wouldn't be able to finish that. So I got the conch fritters instead with spicy marinara or spicy cocktail sauce. That looks yummy. Oh my, those conch fritters were delicious. Probably one of the best appetizers I've ever had in a specialty. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so this is the Rancho Burger. It has ranch and bacon and Swiss cheese, lettuce, tomato. I got it without the pickle though. Looks pretty good. Okay, so this is the cheesecake. I got it without the dulce de leche drizzle over the top. They didn't really want it that sweet. So after lunch in Margaritaville, I came back down here to Deck 8, and welcome to Juneau, Alaska.